Yeah.
Well, and that's exactly why I take these polysaccharides every day. I mean, again, I don't need them to live. You know, they're not essential like oxygen or another vitamin and mineral, but they are just so dynamic. And all of the research that we conducted that we've published, we have 4 papers we published from our Alzheimer's clinical trial. We have 2 papers we published from our multiple sclerosis trial. We have a third one currently under review. And, you know, again, Patrick, I mean, without sounding completely arrogant, I would put our results up against pretty much anybody's in terms of the efficacy of these things and the results that we've showed. I can't think of anything else that, you know, you could do that's better. And if you're of the opinion that dietary supplements are, I don't know, expensive, or, you know, you just don't think they're worth it, well, then I would say to you, are you the typical American that goes to Starbucks every day and spends 8 or I don't know how much money, you know, 8 or 10. I'm not a coffee drinker, but
Yeah.
that's right. But, you know, if you're
I
spending
do my
8 or 10
own
bucks,
most of the time, you know, just because I don't want to spend $5 on a cup of black coffee because I'm not big
what
on
I'm
sugar
saying,
anymore.
like, you know, people just drop money left and right. They don't even consider, you know, what that means. They're just doing it because of, I don't know, habit or preference or whatever. But if you're spending that much money on Starbucks every day and you think dietary supplements are too expensive, well, then I would encourage you to maybe do an inventory of your budget and say, well, wait a minute, I can probably do without this latte from Starbucks for whatever amount of money when I can take dietary supplements for a couple of bucks per day that would make it you know, potentially make a huge difference in my health and my well-being for many, many years and hopefully the rest of my life. So,
Well,
but
absolutely.
yeah,
And that's, you know, that's why we have these conversations, because I think like with anything, it comes down to understanding, right? Not just necessarily